Hello everyone, this is the last part 3 of the Newhomy bundle I received. I'll call it a bundle. It was a bundle. So we have 3 canvases and then we have this lovely thing right here. Believe it or not, this is one storage system I do not have. I do not own anything like this. So I asked if I could try it and they were happy to send it to me. They were like, sure. Now, I got something going on with my handle here, and I don't know what that is. Apparently, we just got to slide it on here ourselves, I think. Okay, yeah, it's just a little loose, so it probably just slid off, but no problem with it. This is so pretty. Look at that. Wow, isn't that pretty? That's cool. It's purple. It's got little hearts all over it. The hearts are glittery. Look at that. That's nifty. Look, it can stand up like a little suitcase. It's got little feet on the bottom of it. That's cool. Yeah, I have never tried a storage system for my drills like this. So I thought, why not? Let's give it a shot. All right. So let's see what we got when we open it up. Ooh, we have leopard print. We have leopard print inside. Look at. Oh, it's like a. It's not fuzzy. I thought it might be fuzzy, but it's not. It's just like a nice. I don't know what you call this kind of stuff. Nice cloth, anyhow. So we have. I think it's just one layer in each one. I think. Let's see. Yeah, because they're big, tall bottles. So they go all the way to the bottom in here. That's cool. So they're large bottles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's 28. Oh, is that another 28? Yeah. Wow, that's a lot of storage bottles. Are these the same size? No, these are little ones. Oh, so you get little ones over there. Now, does this have... Yep, okay. It's just one layer each time, but this is little. That's the lid. Okay, so you can tell, look. Here's the size of the lid, right? So you get little bottles on this side, which would be perfect. If you have little amounts of drills, you can put them here, and then you can put your larger amounts of drills in these. I wonder how many they'll hold. I don't know. They're a screw-on cap, so they're gonna stay nice and secure for you. Yep, nice and snug. I like it. I love it. Like I said, this would be perfect if you just want to move this, if you want to just close it up. Look, they're not going to come out, right? You can tip it upside down. Those little jars aren't going to fall out. Perfectly portable. I like it. This will stand up better if we zip it. Come on. If we zip it from both sides to the top. They have both zippers at the bottom. But if we zip them to the top, like this, then it stands up better on those feet. The zippers aren't in the way. Nice. I like it. Thank you. That's awesome. Yeah, I'm going to have to try that. Maybe when I travel. It's a good traveling storage system. I love it. Pretty. Yeah, I like it. All right. These bags, sticky, sticky, sticky. All right, we have 3 more paintings to look at. All right, what do we get here? Again, a nice soft canvas. Oh, this one's cute. This is a soft canvas, very pliable. Now this has dark colors, so that would be my concern. Let's check out the dark colors. You've seen these toolkits. Well, I'll show you one. They're basic toolkits. Tray, wax, pen, okay? One, in my last unboxing, I got some 4-placers, the thin 4-placers. Now, let's check out, I don't think this one's gonna have DMC codes. Let's check out the dark colors here. What do we see? We got a lowercase g, which looks purple with a white symbol. And we have a dark one, which is B, which looks kind of like just black or dark. Okay, I can tell those apart. They did throw a % sign in there too, but you know, that's different. I think they're okay. How about the dark blue? What about up here? Look at, we have a deer. How about in the dark blue areas? Well, that was dark blue too, but I think everything's legible. I think it's okay. Look at, it's a little deer. He's just in the woods looking up at the tree. I think these are supposed to be birds. I'm not certain how well those are going to turn out as birds. But then in the picture, they don't really look like birds either. So just a simple little deer in the woods. Looking up at some things in the tree and the moon. Anyhow, it's got really pretty colors. We've only got 3. I suppose I can show you colors. It has 22 colors. There's letters and some symbols. Blue, mulberry to purple. No, let's do it this way. Blue, purple, blue, pink. Lots and lots of blues, guys. Blue, blue, purpley blue. Lots of that color. Brown and gray. We'll flip her over. Yellow, green, army green. Really pretty purples here. There's a pretty purple. Another pretty purple. Gray, black, pink, rosy pink, gray, and another rosy pink. Isn't it cute though? Cute little deer. Cute, cute little deer. Yeah, nice little image. All right, what else? Let's do this one. It's a flatty. Flatty to me means special drills. I always try to get, you know, some regular round drills. I should try getting some squares from these companies. I've gotten a couple squares, but not too many. Try to get some special drills, some regular drill. Oh, yes. Yes. Yes, please. I know I don't have this one. Again, quite a nice little canvas. Not super stiff. Yeah. Same toolkit. Pretty colors. Well, look at those. Look at this guy. Bam! Yeah, he's one of the owl family. I know I don't have him. The little owl family. Look, he's got a little heart for a nose. Look at him. Wonder what all this color is going to be. All of this. Is it black? Maybe we'll get an AB. I don't know. Let's see. Isn't he cute, though? 11 different shapes. 30 by 30. Yeah. Love it. Okay, I have to collect the owls. I have to collect all of the owls and get them all in one spot so I can see what I have. Well, there's his nose. There's his nose. I don't think there's going to be any AB. Oh, maybe there are. Maybe I should just be quiet until we look at the drills. All right, clear. Beautiful blue, and also a beautiful aqua teal color. Green. There's more purple and stuff in here than I thought there was going to be. There is our AB. We do have one. It is blue. So this nice blue AB is going to outline all of that. Isn't that going to be pretty? And we have a bunch of stars. Oh, look, we have gold and silver stars. And look, we have 3 hearts. I think we only need 1. Yeah, we need 1, but they gave us 3. That's awesome. And then you can see where the stars go. Look at all the little stars are going to be like here, 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 here. Just stars everywhere. Cool. Another owl buddy. Okay, yeah, it's time to go and organize all my paintings and find all the owls and see which ones I have now. I never thought of myself as such a huge owl fan until I started seeing those little 30 by 30 ones that all seem to like be similar. A bag and a bag. Oh, yeah, this one. I hope this one's going to be really nice. Totally different from what I've been getting. Totally different. You'll see why. But yeah, I've become kind of an owl fan, the collector of the little small 30 by 30 owls. Yes. Now this canvas, no, it's still not real thick. Like, you know, the real thick oil canvas. it's not like that. It's a little thicker than that, but still pretty nice. Okay, I've got it all rolled backwards. Here's our drills. Oh my goodness, look at the colors. Oh, look at the colors. Pinks and greens. Toolkit with some baggies. Sometimes you have baggies. Sometimes you don't. All right, you ready? Yeah, I'm ready. Oh boy. Oh yeah. Okay. It turns out it's a bucket of love. Look at the little bird. We got a little bird here. And we got another bird up here. And we got the bucket full of just love. Love balloons and some flowers. Yeah, I was thinking ahead. I saw this and I was like, Valentine's Day. Yes, Valentine's Day. So yeah, look at legend over here. 20 colors with DMC codes. I think we've only had one that did not have DMC codes, and that's the little deer there. DMC codes over here. Here's the thumbnail. Look at it. Yes, isn't it cute? The little birds and the heart and the white bucket against the shiplap. I'm going to call that shiplap. Some of you know it. Look, it even says love. You can read that perfect. Yes. Okay, how's the drill field look? Sometimes reds can be tricky, but oh my gosh, no. This is perfect. This is perfect. I am so impressed. This is perfect. I love it. Look at that. Look at love. Love this. Oh my goodness, love this. I need a nice Valentine picture. Yeah. I think I got one. Yes. Okay. We know. Okay. We know it's not going to be 30 by 40. They take off a few centimeters. 30 by 40 is the whole canvas. Look, I'll prove that. Let's see. Well, actually, it's 31, the whole canvas. So this is 25. 25 by 35. Right? 25 by 35? So they took 5 inches for border. Yep. Okay, cool. Now you know. Most of them are going to be that way, so. Colors. Yes. I haven't said it in the previous 2 videos, but these drills that come in strips like this, they're always really pretty good. I haven't had really any trouble with them. All right. So we're going to get peaches, rosy pink, that's probably some black, frosty color, burgundy, tan, red, a couple of greens, burgundy, another red, peachy, purple, corally pink, another corally pink. Pretty colors, right? Pretty, 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 pretty. And then some white at the end. I love it. I love it. Okay, I am very happy with, I think, everything I got. And like I said, I think this is the only one that we got that did not have DMC codes. I think everything else did, if you're interested in that. So we were batting 1,000. What are we at now? I don't know. Anyhow, you guys, nice stuff, okay? Fun little projects. I mean, I used to think that this would take me a long time, but after I spent 6 weeks on a painting, I'm like, these look super, super fun and quick. So check out Newhomy, you guys. They were so generous to send all of this stuff. And then this, I mean, whoa, look at that, right? That's snazzy, isn't it? That's just snazzy. I love that, right? Cool. All right. Thanks for watching, you guys. Really, seriously. I am glad that I can show you this stuff. I've already sent a picture to a friend who's like, oh man, I like that. Before I even did the video, you know. So yeah, check them out. They got lots and lots of stuff. Thank you for sending it to me to show everybody. Thanks for watching, you guys, and liking the videos and subscribing. Thank you for checking out memberships and commenting. And I'll let you go now and take care of all this stuff and figure out where I'm going to put it all. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time, you guys. Bye-bye.